Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening OneDrive immediately. Right-click the cloud icon in the taskbar and choose Settings. You need to check you're signed into the correct account and make sure OneDrive is actually running. Once done, navigate straight to the Account and Backup tabs. These are where sync decisions live. Make sure you have permission to modify settings. If you don't, sign in as the correct user or ask an administrator. This gets you ready to stop automatic file syncing quickly and safely. Next, go to Account, then choose Folders to control what OneDrive copies. Uncheck Desktop, Documents, Pictures, or any custom folder you want kept local. This prevents future uploads. If you prefer a quick pause while you organize, use Pause Syncing for 2, 8, or 24 hours. To permanently stop, select Unlink this PC. OneDrive will stop syncing but keep local files intact. Make sure to confirm changes and wait for OneDrive to apply them before moving. Finish by verifying locally. Check your documents or desktop folders to ensure files are still present, and confirm the OneDrive web view shows no new uploads. If needed, move files out of the OneDrive folder to a separate local folder and update any app save locations to that path. If OneDrive continues to sync unexpectedly, exit the app, clear the OneDrive cache, restart your PC, and if necessary, reinstall OneDrive. This troubleshooting step resolves lingering sync rules and confirms you've stopped unwanted uploads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.